Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. I am Emma, and this is a short English pronunciation class.
Hi, Emma. I am Nexo, and I am ready to listen and repeat.
Great. Nexo. Today, we will practice the sound with clear words and phrases.
Nice. I will say each word carefully.
Now, I will show you the structure of this pronunciation lesson. First part, words. We will listen to words with the sound or and repeat them. Second part, phrases. We will hear short phrases with those words in context. Take your time, listen closely, and repeat with a calm voice.
I am focused. My ears are ready.
Excellent. Let us begin with the words.
Listen and repeat out loud. Tour. Tour. Tourist. Tourist. Tour bus. Tour bus. Tour guide. Tour guide. Tour map. Tour map. Tour boat. Tour boat. Tour group. Tour group. Tour ticket. Tour ticket. Lure. Lure. Mural. Mural. Jury. Jury. Juror. Juror. Courier. Courier. Bureau. Bureau. Europe. Europe. Manicure. Manicure. Pedicure. Pedicure. Tour van. Tour van. Phrases.
Good job completing the words. It is very important to listen to as much English as possible.
I can hear the sound better now.
Great. In phrases, the goal is to listen carefully to short sentences and get used to the sounds.
Tour. Tour. The tour starts now. The tour starts now. Tourist. Tourist. The tourist has a camera. The tourist has a camera. Tour bus. Tour bus. The tour bus is red. The tour bus is red. Tour guide. Tour guide. The tour guide smiles. The tour guide smiles. Tour map. tour map. I need a tour map. I need a tour map. Tour boat. Tour boat. The tour boat is blue. The tour boat is blue. Tour group. Tour group. The tour group waits outside. The tour group waits outside. Tour ticket. Tour ticket. I have a tour ticket. I have a tour ticket. Lure. Lure. The lure is in the box. The lure is in the box. Mural. Mural. The mural is on the wall. The mural is on the wall. Jury. Jury. The jury sits in court. The jury sits in court. Juror. Juror. The juror holds a pen. The juror holds a pen. Courier. Courier. The courier rides a bike. The courier rides a bike. Bureau. Bureau. The bureau is by the bed. The bureau is by the bed. Europe. Europe. Europe is on the map. Europe is on the map. Manicure. Manicure. Her manicure is pink. Her manicure is pink. Pedicure. Pedicure. Her pedicure is neat. Her pedicure is neat. Tour van. Tour van. The tour van stops here. The tour van stops here.
Great work! You and Nexo finished the pronunciation lesson.
Yes, I feel more confident with the sound R.
Keep listening and repeating. See you in the next class.